Hey guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing a midweek CVS video. So what I decided to do, and wow, it looks like I got sunburned, yikes. I need to use my sunscreen. So I got a bunch of CRTs. So if you guys saw my Instagram post, I had a ton of CRTs. So what I decided to do is to come in here midweek and to kind of show you guys what you could do with your CRTs on Sunday. So these will be for the deals starting on Sunday the 25th. So I wanted to give you guys a heads up so you guys don't use your CRTs. So I thought I would put together a how to use your CRTs video at CVS. So Physicians Formula is on a spend 15 get 10, and I got a 3 off 12 that printed out from mine. So what you could do is buy, my store has the powder, the pressed powder for $15.49, so you could buy that guy, use your 3 off 12 coupon, so you would pay $12.49, then get $10 back, so it's like you're paying $2.49. And then if you did have a percentage off coupon, then your percentage off coupon would be taken off of $2.49. Okay, so if you guys got that 5 off 22 facial cleanser moisturizer CRT, it's 5 off 25. There's a really great deal that you can pair with those high value CeraVe coupons. So CeraVe is a part of a skincare deal. Also Eucerin and Aquaphor are involved as well. But I'm gonna highlight the CeraVe because I really want to utilize these coupons. So they're on a spend 30 get $10 back in extra care bucks. These are regularly priced. So the scenario I worked up is to buy one of the 8 fluid ounce hydrating cleansers. So my store has this price for $13.99, and then pick up one of the CeraVe skin renewing night cream. So these guys are $19.49, and then you can use a 4 off 1 for the skin renewing product, and then you can use a 3 off 1 for the cleanser, and then stack it with that 5 off 22 CVS CRT. So your total is going to be $33.48, and then you're going to take a total of $12 off in coupons. So you would pay $21.48, then you're going to get back, you would pay $21.48, and then you would get back $10 in extra care bucks. So final cost is $11.48. Now, if you have a percentage off coupon, you'd be able to take the percentage off of that $21.48 number. So if you did get a 25%, or if you did get a 30%, this would still be a decent item to get a chunk taken off. So if you have a percentage off coupon, definitely use it. And these are some great products if you have sensitive skin. And it looks like the CeraVe Night Renewing Cream is new. So yeah, if you want to go ahead and give this line a try, it's really good for sensitive skin, like I said. So this would be a great time to get a significant discount on something that is typically very expensive. So yeah, I think this is a great deal. You're gonna have to pay a little bit out of pocket, but I think the savings overall justifies it, because at the end, after your extra care bucks, your final cost is $11.48 for both of them, which is less than the price of the cleanser in the first place. And then, like I mentioned, if you have that percentage off coupon, then it's going to be even lower. So I think this is an excellent deal to do if you have these coupons and these CRTs. Okay guys, so that next deal is repeating. So it's on a spend 20 get 10 again. So what you can do is buy the conditioner. This is the 13.5 fluid ounce conditioner. It is regular priced $21.49 because you need to get 20 to get the $10 extra care buck. And then we got $5 off 1 coupons that came in our Red Plum from this past week. And if you guys got that 4 off 18 CRT for shampoo, then you would be paying $11.99, but then you're going to get a $10 extra care buck back, so your final cost would just be $1.99, which is really great. And again, if you have a percentage off coupon, then that percentage would be taken off of that the percentage would be taken off of the $11.99 price. So again, this is a higher price item to potentially get a little bit more savings if you are using the percentage off coupon. So 30% off of $11.99 is still a pretty good chunk and change. Okay, so hopefully you guys got those awesome razor CRTs, because I was really excited to see those pop up into my CVS app. So this next coming week, 3/25, Gillette Venus shave care is going to be spend 25, get 10. So the scenario I worked up is to go ahead and get one of the Gillette Venus Simply 3 disposables. So these guys are priced for $8.59, and then get one of the Mach 3 single razors for $8.99. And just a little plug-in, this razor is awesome. This is my new favorite razor that I use personally for myself, and I love it. And then go ahead and pick up 2 of the Gillette Venus shave gels. So my store has them priced for $3.99 each, and you can include shave gel in this spend 25, get 10. So your total is going to get to $25.56, and then you can go ahead and use a 2 of the $1 off 1 coupons for the shave gel that was in the P&G. It expires on the 31st. And then you can go ahead and use a 3 off 1 for the Venus disposables and a 2 off 1 for the Mach 3, because it says on any one Gillette or Venus razor. So you can use it on the single razor. And then if you got that 4 off any Venus razor CRT, then you can use that. And then you can also pair the 5 off any Gillette razor coupon as well, because I got a Venus and then I got a Gillette. And then also you can use a 3 off 15. After all of your coupons and CRTs, you're gonna pay $9.96. Then you'll get back $10 in extra care bucks. So final cost is gonna be free. And these are gonna be regular price. So if you do have a percentage off coupon, then you could take the percentage off of $9.96, which would make this guy a moneymaker. So hopefully you guys got these CRTs, because they are awesome CRTs to be getting. So I really hope you guys got those. Okay, so hopefully you guys got that 2 off 2 Softsoap body wash coupon. So Softsoap body wash is going to be $3.49, and you're going to get a $1.75 extra care buck when you buy 1. This is a limit of 4, guys. So we're also getting 75% off 1 coupons coming in our Smart Source, or you can print from the Softsoap website. So what you could do is buy 2 for $6.98, then use 2 of those 75% off 1 coupons, which will take $1.50 off. And then if you got this 2 off 2 Softsoap body wash CRT, stack this, so you will pay $3.48, and then you're going to get back $1.75 in extra care bucks twice. So that's going to make this guy a 2-cent moneymaker. So awesome deals. So I really hope you guys got all of these wonderful CRTs. So let me know if you guys would like to see a video like this continued in the future, because I actually enjoyed making this video myself, because it helped me get extra prepared for Sunday's shopping trip. So when I take the time to prepare for my own trip, then I don't mind making videos and sharing with you guys to help out your shopping trips. So like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Comment below, let me know that you have enjoyed it, and let's go ahead and do another question of the video. So I want to know what your favorite food is, like all-time favorite food, what you can eat every day, all day. For me, probably pizza. I probably could eat pizza all day, every day. So I hope everyone's having a fantastic day with whatever you're doing, and I will talk to everyone later. Bye.